Hello students, today we study about the Pteridophyte Rhynia. Rhynia, it is a fossil plant, means it is extinct plant which was present in the past period, and Rhynia it has two species, Rhynia major and Rhynia guanewardeni. These two species were discovered by the paleobotanist, means the botanist which study the past plants which were present in the past period, millions of years ago. They are called the paleobotanists. The paleobotanist Kitson and Lang discovered these Rhynia plant in 1917 from the Rhynie chert bed in Scotland. Means the name is given on the basis of the place where they were found, that is the Rhynie chert bed in Scotland. Therefore the name is given Rhynia. And in the period Middle Devonian, means Rhynia, it is a fossil plant. It has two species, Rhynia major and Rhynia guanewardeni. These two species of Rhynia plant were discovered by scientists Kitson and Lang in 1917 from the Rhynie chert bed from Scotland, and the period is Middle Devonian. Means in Middle Devonian, in geological time scale, they were found at Rhynie chert bed near the volcanoes, and these two plants having the two structures, means Rhynia major, it has height up to 20 centimeter and diameter is 6 millimeter. And the plant body consists of the basal buried part called as rhizome and aerial part as aerial shoot. The aerial shoot, it remains attached to the basal rhizome. True roots are totally absent, and rhizome, there are tuft of rhizoids present which perform the function of absorption of water as well as the fixation of the plant. The aerial shoot, it gets dichotomously branched and it tapers into the pointed end at the apices, and some of the places it is get converted into a sporangia. The Rhynia major, it has height of 20 centimeter and width is 6 millimeter. While the Rhynia guanewardeni, it is somewhat smaller as compared to Rhynia major, height up to 18 centimeter and diameter of the aerial shoot or rhizome is 2 millimeter. And on the it has also aerial shoot with a dichotomously branched structure, and it tapers at the pointed end, and some of the aerial shoot bears sporangia at their apices. Difference between the Rhynia major and Rhynia guanewardeni is that some of the adventitious branches were found on Rhynia guanewardeni which were totally absent in case of Rhynia major. Then this is about the external morphology of Rhynia. Internally, it shows the outermost layer, epidermis, which is interrupted by large number of stomata, and the epidermis it get covered by means of a thick cuticle, and inner to the epidermis cortex is present. It is of two types, outer cortex and inner cortex. Outer cortex consists of 2 to 3 layers compactly arranged parenchymatous cells, while the inner cortex consists of parenchymatous stage having large number of intercellular spaces. Endodermis and pericycle were totally absent, and in the center there is a protostelic condition of vascular bundle is present. In center xylem is present, which remains surrounded by phloem element. This is about the ES of aerial. And the LS of sporangia shows which were present at the apices of aerial shoot. It has 3-layered sporangial wall, outer layer, middle layer, and innermost layer, which is also called as tapetum, which provides the nourishment for the developing spores or spore mother cells, inside which they have found the spore tetrad with triradial mark. This is all about the Rhynia. What is Rhynia? Rhynia, it is a fossil plant or petrified plant. It is found in the form of petrification. Means in fourth unit you have to study about the paleobotany, in which there are types of fossils. There are 3 types: impression, compression, and petrification. Means the Rhynia, it is a petrified fossil which was discovered by Christian and Lang from the Middle Devonian period from Rhynie church bed in Scotland, and it has 2 species, Rhynia major and Rhynia guanovagna. Rhynia major, it is slightly bigger as compared to Rhynia guanovagna, while the diameter also different. In case of Rhynia major, diameter is 6 mm, while in case of Rhynia guanovagna, it is 2 mm. That, and while the internal structure of both the aerial shoot is same, and at the base rhizomes are present, which are buried underground, and it has number of tough hair-like structures. They are called rhizoids. So two roots are totally absent. Means the rhizoids perform the function of absorption of water, and rhizome and rhizoids take part in the fixation of plant. This is about the Rhynia. Thank you.